Alright guys, so welcome on board and thank you for checking out my video today. So I really appreciate you for checking around, and if you are new to my channel, just hang on and I believe you're going to enjoy today's video. So I'm going to share with you, I'm going to walk you through step by step and show you a powerful software that you can pick up today, and then you can set it up. You will set it up and then this software will continue to work for you on autopilot. That is going to work for you 24/7, even when you are sleeping, you are playing, you go around, you go anywhere. You just do one or two things, about 3 or 4 clicks, and then you set everything up, and then the software begins to do every other thing for you, and then you earn Bitcoin over and over and over again for a very long time. In fact, you can just set it and forget it and forget it. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So my name is John Anavirori. If you are not yet my friend on Facebook, connect with me on Facebook. There's a link under this video to connect with me on Facebook. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please, I appreciate you to subscribe to my channel before you leave this place. So right now, let me just let me get into this. So I posted on my Facebook wall recently just to share to share this software with my friends on Facebook. So you can see I made a post that's yesterday on the 16th, and then I got tons of replies. I've never replied. Okay, I think I've replied some of them. Yes, I've replied some of them. But I've got, I think, almost 100 comments. 100 comments. People turned up. They said they want the software. They want it. And some people have actually gone to go pick up the software. So I believe they should be getting results right away. I'm also going to log into my own account. So you're going to see exactly how this software works and why you too should pick it up, because Bitcoin is growing crazy. It has been, it has been skyrocketing even since this year. Now I think there was a time it's got to about $60,000 for one Bitcoin. I remember some years back, I think 2008 or 9, one Bitcoin was still about, I think, $1,000, and I was just thinking, this is too big. This is just too big. I can't pay $1. I can't pay $1,000 to go just to buy. No, sorry, I think it was about $5,000 then, or $6,000. So you know, if I don't want to spend that kind of money just to buy a coin, and because it's always fluctuating, it rises today, goes down tomorrow, like that. So I also didn't have interest in buying the coin there. But you can see today it's now over $50,000 just to one Bitcoin, one coin, $50,000. And the thing is, this thing will continue to explode, and in the nearest future, maybe in 2 years time, 3 years time, 4 years time, or 5 years times, this coin can reach $500,000. So imagine if you don't have the money to buy the coin now. How about using this software, this method I'm about to show you, to get Bitcoin over and over again? And the beauty of this is it's going to work for itself. And while you're earning the Bitcoins, you can just leave it like that. You leave the Bitcoins in your wallet and then let it continue to accumulate over and over and over again. So what I'm going to show you right now is exactly what I gave to these guys, and some people have acted fast. They want to pick up the software, and I believe they are using it already, and then they are taking action on that. So let me log into this is my dashboard area for this software. The software is called CryptoMate. Yes, it's called CryptoMate. Alright, so as you can see, I'm logged into my own account right here, which is inside CryptoMate. You're not going to install any software or anything. Yeah, you just log in, you get the access detail, login details. So you log into this platform, and then you can be able to customize and walk through everything, and then set up your own system, and then this software will begin to work for you, making you to pile up Bitcoin over and over and over again. So let me just give you in a nutshell how the software simply works. Now, this is it. There are so many top crypto sites, top crypto platforms that will allow you to sign up as an affiliate to them. Yes, as an affiliate. So that means you can earn commissions, getting people to sign up on their websites. And these platforms, these are crypto sites, they pay huge commissions. And another thing on these sites is once you refer someone, you continue to earn commission based on their trade on this platform. So imagine you refer just one person on Bin-ance, for example, Bin-ance or Coin-base, and then the person goes ahead to buy products, to trade, to buy coins, or do some trade on Bin-ance or Coin-base. You're going to continue earning commissions over and over again from every single trade, or every withdrawal, every transaction the persons carry out on those crypto sites. So now this software is going to leverage on about 12 of these sites, 12 top crypto sites, and then help you to incorporate your own affiliate link, your own affiliate ID, and then helps you generate content, builds a site for you. It's going to set up a site for you and then slots in your affiliate link on this site. Then you begin to get traffic to your site. People will read your articles on crypto sites, on cryptocurrency, on news on currency, on cryptocurrency. Then they can easily, from your link, from your website, they click on your link and then they go join all these platforms, or they take an action on this platform, and then you begin to earn commission. Take for instance, look at it now. This is the section where I can get to customize my own website. So if I click here to view my website, so you can see this is how my website will be. This is a pop-up and advertisements. So I can put an advert here, maybe an affiliate relating to Bitcoin or anything. I can put it here, or a sign-up link to any of those platforms. Then you can see, you can even include an opt-in form right here. And then you can see, so this is just, let me just scroll down so you can see. So you can see it's just like a normal blog. But the good thing about it is it's going to be updating content for you, rich content, high quality content, everything by itself on complete, autopilot. So every day it's going to be updating content for you. You can see today is 17th. I haven't done anything. I didn't do anything. You can see more than 5 contents already. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see, and that's, I'm going to be getting traffic over and over and over again to these sites. And inside these sites, all my links are already added here. All my affiliate links are on this site. So anyone will read from here and then go on to sign up on these platforms and then trades on all those crypto sites, I'm going to earn commission from them. So it's very, very, very simple. You're going to love this software. So here is another thing I want to show you again. All right, so once you just set up your account settings, affiliate programs, so you can now click on the affiliate programs. Let's wait for that to load up. All right, so you can see this is the affiliate program section. So this is where you're going to apply to top crypto sites. So you can see the commission you're also going to pay on those sites. So this is Binance. So you can see on Binance, you are going to be approved instantly once you request. So you can just request, you can go here and then you can apply. You don't need to apply if you're not from USA, so you can click on international. So this means applies from any country you are from. So just come over here and then you click on this link. So once you are approved to promote on Binance, you can now put your affiliate link, your affiliate ID right here. So if it's on that platform, let's see, Coin Mama, local Bitcoin, you can see this is local Bitcoin as well, Packs Full, a lot of them, Coin-base as well. So you can see 25%, 30% commission, 45% commission, and then this one actually pays in CPA. So actually you can now just request in one click. You're going to click right here and then you'll be directed to these platforms to go and apply to get your affiliate link. So once you get the affiliate link, just insert it inside all these buttons. Once you insert it and then you click on save program, so it automatically saves. So once now on your blog, on your own site right now, you'll be able to do, you see, once the software begins to generate content for you, your link will automatically be integrated into the articles, inside all the articles. So you can imagine someone who is interested in crypto bumps into your site and then reads your article and then goes on to create an account and all the likes, and then you begin to earn commissions. And on top of that, you're going to get, you can customize your site. You can put banner ads on your site. You can see this is a banner. This is an ad here. You can do such. You can see something like this. This is ready made for you. You can just put your affiliate link right here. You can also include text links and everything. The beauty about this is it's going to update by itself automatically. Everything is done on autopilot, so you don't need to worry. You don't have to do anything. So let me show you exactly on Binance. So you can see this is Binance. So Binance, once you invite friends, you're going to earn crypto together. So you're going to earn up to 40% commissions every time your friend makes a trade on Binance. Imagine 40% on any amount of trade they make. So imagine they make 10 trades in a week or in a year from just one referral, and you're able to get about 50 referrals, 100 referrals. So that means you have huge potentials to earn on with this, using this software to earn Bitcoin. This software will do all the work for you. All right, so once you get inside, once you get access to this software, you're able to access everything on this platform. You see, you get detailed video tutorials, and you even get marketing guides. You can see you're going to get free opt-in generator opt-ins for it. If you want to create, you want to build your list, you want to build a list from your site, you want to add an opt-in page to an opt-in form to your site, so you can grab leads and then follow up on them, or sell that programs related to cryptocurrency, crypto. Then you can always use this feature, which is their mailing platform. So it's something you're going to like and you're going to enjoy, and it's just for a very small fee. And right now, let me show you something. This product is currently selling right now. You can see it's the #1 product on Warrior Plus right now. It's the deal of the day. You can see, okay, let me show you right. You can see it right here. Wait, free crypto. Yes, very cool. So fastest way to get affiliate commissions with little work, ride the wave of the crypto trend. So it's actually an easy way to earn affiliate commission. So you just sign up. You see all the links are right here. You just click on apply here, and then to direct you to those sites. You register on those sites. Once you get approved, then grab the affiliate link and then enter it into this to the respective crypto platform. So once you put it right there, then just make sure you save it. Once you save it, your new blog will now begin to fixing this your affiliate link inside the article. So in that way, you're able to earn commissions when someone reads your articles and then goes ahead to check out your those crypto platforms. So right now, I want to see if I can show you this product has sold more than 1,000 units right now. More than 1,000 units has been sold on this product. Okay, you can see. So CryptoMate, you can see CryptoMate right here. So it has sold 1,000 units with 0 refunds. So no one has actually refunded this product. So it's a quality product. That's to tell you that it's a very quality product and everyone loves it. So go ahead. It's very cheap. It's less than, I think, $14 right now. So you can go ahead. There's a link under this video for you to go pick it up. Just click on the link under this video. You get access to pick up this amazing software. Let me tell you something that is very good. You don't need to invest in crypto. You don't need to start trading crypto. This software, once you buy it now, in fact, you don't need to spend any other thing. This software will just continue to do all the work for you on complete autopilot. Your own is just set it once, and in fact, just forget about it. So you can just log into your crypto wallet site or log into this dashboard, and then you see how much you've been earning, how much you've been making, and everything you need. So, and there's also bonus product for you to check out right here, and just go ahead and grab this software. You're going to love it. It's going to help you to earn crypto, free without investing on anything. This is one of the best ways to earn, cryptocurrency, to earn Bitcoin. Exactly. In fact, I would advise you focus also on Bitcoin. Don't sign up for earning Ethereum or any other crypto coin. Make sure you're selecting Bitcoin so you earn and keep your Bitcoin and get real value in your you get value with this awesome software. So go ahead. There's a link under this video. It's going to take you right to the sales page. I don't have the sales page, but just click on the link under this video to take you to the sales page where you can pick up this amazing software for just a small one-time fee, and then you can start piling up Bitcoin over and over and over and over again. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions for me, you can reach out to me on our Facebook right here. There's a link to reach out to me on Facebook. Just click on the link under this video. Contact me on Facebook. Let's get talking. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. You can like the video, and if you have any question, yes, you can comment under the video. I'm going to try as much as possible to reply you in time. So thank you very much for coming around. I do hope you enjoy this review. I'll be so glad to see you pick up CryptoMate as well, so you also can start earning Bitcoin for free, because this software is going to be working for a very, very, very long time. And imagine if you just do this, and then for 1 year, you can imagine, I can't say how much you can earn, but at least you should have earned something tangible and something reasonable. So I hope you're going to take action and just invest on this amazing software. It's CryptoMate, and you're going to love it. I'm telling you, you're going to really, really, really love it. So thank you very much. Thank you, and bye-bye. Enjoy the rest of your day.